Hey guys, welcome back. I wanted to show you a quick tip for aligning a tax map when there's no information on the tax map except parcel lines. So you can see this tax map here, it's got property lines. I want to draw that into the project model, but there's really nothing to line it up with. I can use the scale, but I also know that yesterday I lined one up from this Hamilton County GIS and the scale came in a little bit off, so I don't really trust it. So what we're going to do is I printed the tax map and I printed one with an aerial as well, and then I'm going to line it up based on the aerial, and then we can line the tax map up with this one. So here was the old tax map that has some extra information on it that basically hides the property line and is hard to see. So I'm going to delete that one, and we want to replace with this one up here. I've made a second layer for this one with a tax map and an aerial, and we are going to line this up. So I'm going to use the tip of this line here, and I want to pick something far away, and I like picking something on the ground as opposed to the top of a building. We could potentially use the corner of that building there. Let's do that. Let's use the corner of that building, and then we'll do that in the project model. So we've got the tip of this line there, and then that bottom corner of the building there. And then we're going to use the align command, so I'll grab these two things, AL, enter. Start point is this one, and that goes to there. Oops. AL, align objects. I'm going to align those objects. First source point there, and it goes to there. Second source point is there, and it goes to there. Don't have a third one, so I'm going to right click, and do I want to scale to Y for yes, and that's moved over there. Okay, so that one's done. Now, and see, it's hard to see this property line, but let's pick two property lines that appear to be far away. Maybe we do this one here. I didn't quite get that in the middle. So we do that one there, and maybe this one here. Which is this one. And we went down to, I believe it was this one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, yep. And now we can use the align command for this. AL, first source point goes to there. The second source point goes to here. And there's no third source point. Align, yes. And now we have the second tax map lined up. I can turn off the aerial, and so now we've aligned this tax map even though there's really nothing good to align it with. We've used the aerial first and then transferred that over to the tax map. Thanks.